Type 2 diabetes affects millions of people worldwide. Many naturopath practitioners now believe that it is reversible. Unfortunately, many type 2 diabetes patients are not aware of this. For instance, many patients are prescribed metformin and/or insulin. They are unaware of powerful, natural alternatives. Also, there are countless products that claim to be helpful to those with this condition. What level of blood sugar is dangerous? Many people who have diabetes or pre-diabetes may not know it. Your PCP may reveal to you that fasting 110 mg per deciliter is typical. Nonetheless, that isn't generally the situation. High glucose might be doing genuine harm to veins all over your body. For instance, average blood sugar to A1C levels need to be tracked. Make sure to request this test if your doctor hadn't. What is Halki Diabetes Remedy? The Halki Diabetes Remedy is intended to address the root cause of type 2 diabetes, safely and naturally. According to the creators of this program, toxins are the root cause. Today, toxins are all over the place. They are in our nourishment, the air, attire, cleaning supplies, your home, and so on. Shockingly, as more synthetic compounds and poisons get included into our lives, more individuals become ill. Disposing of the poisons will help normally fix and turn around the harm. This remedy explains how certain ingredients fight the toxins naturally. This will reverse your diabetes. The Halki Diabetes Remedy provides you with a wealth of information on type 2 diabetes, including its causes and natural treatment. With this program, you will receive recipes, meal plans, charts, and useful tips. The Diabetes Type 2 Reverse 6OSEC Habit. This diabetes arrangement was created following the arrival of an examination in 2017 by the American Diabetes Association. Specifically, this report expresses that long-haul introduction to particulate issue PM2.5 is related with insulin opposition. Without a doubt, high glucose or diabetes is the quick consequence of insulin opposition. Guidelines for Halki Diabetes Remedy. Dissimilar to other standard methods that comprehend just side effects, this program assaults the main driver of insulin obstruction. Specifically, it offers you with a completely structured formula that rapidly fixes the contamination damage brought about by PM2.5. What is PM2.5? PM2.5 is an incredibly tiny particle of less than 2.5 micrometers in diameter. They penetrate the lungs and enter the bloodstream. Specifically, where do those particles come from? They are emitted into the atmosphere through the burning of petrol and chemicals. Undoubtedly, scientists are beginning to understand how damaging they are to human bodies. The essential objective of this diabetes cure is to free these particles with a deductively demonstrated formula containing supplements that fix the harmed lung cells. Verifiably, this program has helped a great many people all through Asia, Europe and America by giving them a formula that turns around lung damage and type 2 diabetes. Here is the thing that it incorporated into the program. Nourishments that switch type 2 diabetes and how to get ready diabetes with the best regular cure. The 2-second propensity that helped Eric's life partner turn around diabetes of type 2 and lost 56 pounds of fat, which nourishment contains poisons and synthetic concoctions which lift the measure of glucose. Step-by-step instructions to get ready 2 natively constructed fat-consuming dressings. Wholesome rules that help you in staying away from the utilization of insulin infusions. This program is not only assists to reverse type 2 diabetes, but also to helps with fat loss. So, even if you don't have diabetes, you can use this program for weight loss and general health. Included in this program, Halki Diabetes Remedy is a 21-day program that teaches you about the power of healthy foods. You will learn 42 dressing ingredients formulated by the creators. Herbs for blood sugar control. Ayurvedic treatment for diabetes. This remedy teaches you the ratio of elements to the particular recipe. You will learn what foods you should eat exactly each day to obtain the best results. Eventually, your overall health will improve. You will learn easy techniques to lower your blood pressure. This program teaches you how to control your blood sugar and fatigue. In addition, you will learn many tasty and simple recipes that are used to reduce your blood sugar. Conclusion. There are innumerable positive reviews and input from the individuals who have just acquired the Halki Diabetes Remedy. To be sure, those people guarantee that this cure decreased their diabetic side effects. Numerous individuals have just changed their vitality, midsection size, and their lives through this program. Keep a glucose log to monitor your advancement. Along these lines, on the off chance that you are scanning for an approach to normally diminish your diabetic side effects, Halki Diabetes Remedy is for you. Thanks for watching.